Break up. Separate/split up. Did Sarah and Mark break up?
Yes, they split up last month.
Call off. Cancel. Did they call off the meeting?
Yes, they canceled it due to bad weather.
Look after. Take care of. Will you look after my dog?
Of course, I'll take care of him.
Look for. Search for. Are you looking for your keys?
Yes, I can't find them.
Pick up. Collect. Can you pick up some groceries?
Sure, I'll collect them on my way home.
Turn on. Switch on. Can you turn on the lights?
Sure, I'll switch them on.
Turn off. Switch off. Did you remember to turn off the oven?
Yes, I switched it off after baking.
Put on. Wear. What should I put on for the party?
Wear that beautiful dress.
Take off. Remove. Should I take off my shoes?
Yes, please remove them before entering.
Take out. Throw away. Can you take out the trash?
Yes, I'll throw it away.
Get up. Rise. What time do you usually get up?
I rise at 6 a.m.
Check in. Arrive and register at a hotel. Did you check in at the hotel?
Yes, we registered at the reception.
Check out. Leave or depart from a hotel. When do we need to check out of the hotel?
Checkout time is usually by 11 a.m.
Turn up. Arrive. Did she turn up for the meeting?
No, she didn't arrive on time.
Put off. Postpone. Did they put off the wedding?
Yes, they postponed it due to illness.
Hold on. Wait. Can you hold on for a moment?
Sure, I'll wait.
Bring back. Return. Did you bring back the library books?
Yes, I returned them.
Look up. Search for. Can you look up that word?
Sure, I'll search for it.
Run out of. Have no more of something. Did we run out of milk?
Yes, we don't have any more of it.
Wake up. Awaken. When do you usually wake up?
I awaken early.
Get along. Have a good relationship. Do you get along with your neighbors?
Yes, I have a good relationship.
Turn down. Reject. Did they turn down your job application?
Yes, they rejected it.
Look forward to. Anticipate or hope for. Are you looking forward to the vacation?
Yes, I am looking forward to it.
Call back. Return a phone call. Will you call me back?
Yes, I'll return your call.
Turn up. Increase in volume. Can you turn up the music?
Yes, I'll increase the volume.
Give up. Quit. Did you give up on your dreams?
No, I didn't quit.
Set up. Establish. Are you planning to set up a new business?
Yes, I want to establish it.
Bring in. Introduce. Did they bring in a new policy at work?
Yes, they introduced it.
Look out. Be cautious. Should I look out for traffic?
Yes, be cautious when crossing.
Go on. Continue. Will the show go on despite the rain?
Yes, it will continue.
Get over. Recover from. Have you got over the fever?
Yes, I have recovered from it.
Turn in. Submit. Did you turn in your assignments?
Yes, I submitted them.
Find out. Discover. Did you find out more about the topic?
Yes, I discovered new information.
Point out. Indicate. Can you point out the mistakes?
Yes, I can indicate them.
Run into. Encounter or meet unexpectedly. Did you run into an old friend?
Yes, I met him unexpectedly.
Make up. Become friends again after a quarrel or disagreement. Have you and Sarah made up after your argument last night?
Yes, we have become friends again.
Go out. Socialize. Shall we go out for dinner?
Yes, let's socialize.
Carry out. Execute. Are they going to carry out the plan?
Yes, they will execute it.
Show up. Appear. Did he show up at the party?
No, he didn't appear.
Get by. Survive with limited resources. Is it hard to get by on a low income?
Yes, it's tough to survive.
Run away. Flee. Did John run away?
Yes, he fled after an argument with his parents.
Take in. Understand, absorb. Can you take in what I just said?
Yes, I understand.
Drop off. Deliver. Will you drop off the package?
Yes, I'll deliver it to the post office.
Let down. Disappoint. Did you let your team down?
No, I didn't disappoint them.
Take off. Leave the ground and fly. Did the plane take off on time?
Yes, it departed from the airport on time.
Take off. Become successful. Did her career take off?
Yes, she became successful.
Break down. Stop working. Did your car break down?
Yes, it stopped working.
Go over. Review. Did you go over the presentation one more time?
Yes, I reviewed it thoroughly.
Look into. Investigate. Did you look into the matter?
Yes, I investigated it thoroughly.
Bring up. Raise. They brought up their children well.
Yes, I agree. They raised them well.